We're getting ready for Alaska. Today we're going to talk about towels.
Traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Fulltime Family Road Trip.
So this is my bath towel that I typically use. And these are some microfiber towels that we got. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 towels, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smaller hand towels. So they take up about the same amount of space. My one towel compared to the 6 towels and 6 hand towels are pretty close to the same size. So when we don't have much space and there are 7 of us, we had to decide if we're going to take our good towels that we really like or if we're going to stick with microfiber towels. So let's do a comparison. Here's one of our kitchen towels that we typically use, and here is one of the microfiber towels. They're not quite the same size. Ours is a little bit bigger. So we are going to compare them and see how they do with absorbency. We've got 2 cups of water, with the same amount of water, and we're going to test the absorbency of these towels. So we'll soak up all the water into the microfiber towel and into the regular cotton towel. So the microfiber towel is very wet. There's not much dry spots. It's pretty sopping there. The regular kitchen towel, you can see, just has a couple wet spots. So it looks like it has a lot more room, that it could hold a lot more water if it needed to. Now we're going to hang them both up to dry and see which one dries quicker. Alright, now before we dry them, it'd be smart to just wring the water out of them. So this one, when I wring it, there are about 2 drops hitting the table. That's it. The microfiber towel, I could wring and get a lot of water out. So there's quite a puddle on the table from that one. So then it could dry quicker in the sun, where this one needs to dry on its own because I couldn't wring anything out of it. We just put the 2 wet towels out in the sun. We'll see how long they take to dry. But then it made me think, I wonder about absorbency, because the microfiber towel was completely wet, but then you could wring it out. So if there was a spill, you could easily wipe it up, wring it out, wipe it up, wring it out. You could get lots of water that way, where the cotton towel just soaked in all the moisture. So I'm going to see how much water each towel can hold. First, we're going to test out the microfiber towel. We'll pour on some water. The water wants to try to pool on top. It doesn't really seep in at first. And a bunch of the water ends up on the tray. That was 1/4 of a cup. Let's see if we can get all this water off the tray. Let's see if we can add another. It's pretty wet. Right there, I'm going to get another 1/4 a cup. Let's see if we can get all that to soak in and not be on the tray. And there's still water here on the tray. It is not cleaning up. It is, the towel is drenched. And I could easily wring out, I'd guess, most all of that water that we soaked up, and the tray is still wet, so it does not even hold 1/2 a cup of water. Alright, here goes 1/4 a cup of water on the cotton towel. And that just soaked right in. We'll do another 1/4. And another. Up to 3/4. The tray is not getting wet, it's all soaking in. Alright, there's a full cup so far. now I see some pooling on the edge of the tray, so we'll soak that in. Alright, we've done 1.25 cups so far, plus a little extra because I'm spilling. 1.5 cups. And this towel is pretty drenched. It's able to get all of it off of the tray. The tray is wet, but there's not pooling water on it. So this towel was able to hold 1.5 cups. The microfiber towel is only about almost able to hold half, not even quite 1/2 cup. So the cotton towel holds a lot more moisture than the microfiber towel. So these two are both wrung out as well as they can be. I'm going to hang these ones out to dry with the others and see how long it takes them to dry. It's been 45 minutes. These are the towels that were completely soaked, and I hung them above the dehumidifier to dry. The microfiber towel is completely dry. This one is still very damp all over, not even close to being dry. So the ones hanging out in the sun was hanging up like this. The side that the sun was shining on is still wet. The other side is dry. I'm not quite sure why that is. And the cotton towel is still just as wet as when it started. So the microfiber definitely wins for drying faster. The cotton towels are definitely more absorbent. So the biggest problem with the microfiber towels is that they're not the greatest to dry off with after a shower. They're very thin. They're not really big enough to wrap all the way around your body. And they're really strange the first couple times you use them, because you can't like wipe yourself and dry yourself when you're wet. You just kind of have to like pat yourself dry. They don't work the same as a cotton towel would. With my bath towel, it's very big. I can wrap it up and it just kind of absorbs all the moisture, and you can get dry really easily. These do work, but not in the same way. And so they do take a while to get used to. And if you wanted to like wrap up after a shower, or if you used it to go to the pool or the hot tub and you wanted to wrap up as you head back, the microfiber ones are not great for that. They're small, so you couldn't really like lay it out on the beach and lay on it. You could lay it out and sit on it, but they're not as big as regular towels. And so that would be the downfall. But size, I think, is going to win in our case, because there are 7 of us going to be in a 27-foot Winnebago. So we don't have a lot of room to hang up towels. Right now, we have a whole wall in our bathroom with 6 hooks that hang up 6 of our towels, and then one of the towels hangs on a bar on the door, and they're very big. They take up a lot of space. They take a long time to dry. And in the Winnebago, we just don't have space to hang up that many towels because our bathroom is way smaller. And so we're going to bring these. Hopefully we don't regret it. And we'll let you know how they've been working.